Good morning. Chapter Sequence and Series, Exercise 9.1, question number 1. The question is, write the first 5 terms of an equal to n into n plus 2. So nth term is given. This question, an equal to n number of term, n into n plus 2. Okay. So find first 5 terms. So putting n equal to 1, 2,
So
3,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. So first n equal to 1, so a1. So a1 equal to 1 into 1 plus
1 into 1 plus 2.
The 1 into 1 plus 2, which is
So
3.
1 into 1 plus 2, that is 3.
3. Okay. A2, 2
So
into
2 into
2 into
which
2
is
plus 2,
8.
that is 2 into 4 equals to 8.
2. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8.
4 into 2, 8.
A3, n equal to 3.
So
So 3
into
into
3
3
plus
plus
2,
2, which
that
is
is
3
3
into
into
5, which
5,
is
that is
15.
15.
4. N
So
equal to
4 into 4 plus 2, that is 4 into 6, that is 24.
4 plus 2, 6. 6 into 4, 24. A5.
So 5 into 5
So
plus 2,
5
which is 5
into
into
5 plus
7, which
2,
is
that is
35.
5 into 7, 35.
5 plus 2, 7. 7 into 5, 35. Okay. So the 5 terms are
3, 8, 15, 24, 35.
3, 8, 15, 24, and 35. Then number 2. Number 2 is same type question. Find the first 5 terms. An equal to n by n plus 1. N by n plus 1. Okay. So putting n equal to n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we get. So a1 equal to, first n equal to 1. A1 equal to
So 1 by 1 plus
So 1 by
1,
1
that is
plus
1
1,
by
which
2.
is 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay. A2.
So 2 by 2 plus
So
1,
2
that is
by
2
2
by
plus
3.
1, which is 2 by 3.
2 plus 1 equal to 2 by 3. Okay.
So then is 3 by 3 plus
So 3
1,
by
that is
3
3
plus
by
1, which
4.
is 3 by 4.
3 by 3 plus 1 equal to 3 by 4.
Then is 4 by
So
2
then is
plus
4
1,
by
that
2
is 4
plus 1,
by
which is 4
5.
by 5. Answer.
4 by 4 plus 1 equal to
4 by
4 by
5.
5. One more. A equal
So
to
then is
4 by 5.
A5,
So
which
then
is
is
5 by
5
5
by
plus
5
1,
plus
which is
1
5 by
equals to 5 by
6.
6.
5
5
plus
plus 1 equals to 5 by 6.
equal to 5 by 6. Okay. So the 5 terms are
1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, and 5 by 6.
5 terms are 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, and 5 by 6. Okay. Then question number 3. Number 3, an equal to 2 to the power n. An equal to 2 to the power n. Okay. So putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So a1 equal to a1
So 2 to the power 1, which is 2.
2 to the power 1, which is 2.
a2 2 square
So 2 to the power 2, which is 4.
4 a3
2 to the
So
power
2
cube,
cube, which is 8.
So then is 2 to the power
So
4,
2 to the power 4, which is 16. So 2 to the power 4, which is 16. So then is 2 to the power 5, which is 32.
2 to the power 5 equals to
2 to the power 5,
32.
which is equal to 32.
So the 5 terms are 2, 4, 8,
2, 4, 8, 16, 32.
Okay. Then we'll do question number 5. 5 number. an equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1. Minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power n plus 1. Okay. Minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power n plus 1. Okay. So putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So a1 equal to minus 1 to the power 1 minus 1.
So minus 1
minus 1 into 5
to the
1
power
plus 1.
1 plus 1.
1 plus 1. Okay. So this equal to minus 1 to the power 0.
Minus 1 to the power 0, which 1?
1 into 5 square.
5 square, which is 25.
It will be 25 only.
Power 2 minus 1 into 5 to the power 2 plus 1.
So 2 plus 1, so sir, it will be minus 5 cube, which is minus 125.
1 to the power 1 into
5 cube.
Minus 1 to the power 1 is minus sign. Minus 1, that is
Minus 1 into 125, which is minus 125.
So it will be minus 1 to the power 1 minus 3 into 5 to the power 3 plus 1, which is equal to minus 5 to the power 4, which is 625.
3 minus 1 into 5 to the power 3 plus 1 equal to minus 1 to the power 2
into 5 to the power 4.
5 to the power 4 equal to minus 1 square means plus 1.
So 1 into 625, which is 625.
A4 equal to minus 1 to the power minus 1
So
to the
minus
power
1 to the power 1 minus 5, which is minus 1 to the power 4 into 5.
into 5 to the
Yes,
power 4
sir,
plus 1.
into 5 to the power 5. Sir,
4 plus 1.
Yes, sir, 5 to
yes,
the power
sir.
5.
So minus 1 to the power 4 minus 1, it is 3.
So 3 and 5 to the power 5.
5 to the power 5. So minus 1 whole cube means minus sign, minus.
Minus
The
1
minus 1, so it will be minus
into
3125.
3125.
Yes, 6 to 5 into 5. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
3000, 3, 3, 1 to 5.
So 3001 to
So 3125.
125.
Minus. This is A4. Now A5.
So it will be minus 1 to the power 5 minus 1 into 5 to the power 5 plus 1.
5 to the power
5 plus 1. So it will be minus 1 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 6, which is 1 into 5 to the power 6, which
to the
is
power 4
15,600.
into 5 to the power 6. So
Yes,
minus
sir.
1 to the power 4, it is positive,
So
plus
1. So 1 into
plus
5 to the power 6. So it is
equal to
15,625. So 15625.
125 into 5. So
Yes, sir.
1, 5,
625.
6 to 5. Okay. Okay. So these are the 5 terms. 25 minus 125, 6 to 5, minus 3125, and 15625. Okay. Now number 6. An equal to n into n square plus 5 by 4. Okay. So first n equal to 1. So a1 equal to, therefore a1 equal to 1 into 1
So 1 into 1 square plus 5 by 4, which is 1 into 6 by 4.
plus 5 by 4 equal to 6 by 4
So 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2.
equal to 3 by 2. This is the first term, 3 by 2. Now a2, second term, n equal to 2. So 2 into 2 square plus 5 by 4 equal to,
So that will be 2 into 4 plus 5 by 4, which is 2 into 9 by 4, which is 9 by 2.
9 by 4 equal to 9 by 2. Second term is 9 by 2. Now third term, a3 equal to
So 3 into 3 square plus
So
5
3
by
into 3
4.
square plus 5 by 4, which is 3 into 9 plus 5 by 4.
plus 5 by 4.
Is 3 into 9 plus 5 by 4.
So which is 3 into 9 plus 5 by 4. So 3 into 14 by 4.
14 by
9
4.
plus 5, 14 by 4.
So equal to
So
21
it
by
will be
2.
equal to 3 into 7 by 2, which is 21 by 2.
21 by 2. Now A4. N equal
So
to
4 into 4 square plus 5 by 4.
4 square plus 5 by 4.
Sir, which is equal to 4
So 4
into 16
into
plus 5
16
by
plus 5 by
4.
4.
21 by 4, no?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
21
sir,
by
4
4.
into,
So
sir, 4 into
4
21 by
cancels
4. So, sir, 4
21.
will be cancelled. So, sir, it will be 21.
Fourth number term is 21. Now last term, A5.
So
A5.
5 into 5 square plus 5 by 4.
So, 5 into 5 square plus 5 by 4. So, it is equal to 5 into 25 plus 5 by 4.
By 4 equal to
So 5 into 25 plus 5, which is 30 by 4.
30 by 4. Okay?
Yes, so, sir, 15 to the
So it will
30,
be 2
then,
to
sir, it
the
will be
4, 2
70.
15s are. So 5
Sir,
into
it will be
15, 75
75
by
by
2.
2.
15 by 2 equal to,
So, 75 by 2.
okay? Small 5 turns. Okay.
Yes.
Next, do question number 11. 11 number. 11 number, write first 5 terms. Okay? So A1 equal to 3 and AN equal to 3 into AN minus 1. 3 into AN minus 1 plus 2. Plus 2. Okay? N greater than 1. N greater than 1. Okay? So AN equal to AN equal to 3 into AN minus 1 plus 2. Okay? Now, first n equal to 1, that is first term is given, a1 equal to 3. Okay? So second term, so put n equal to 2. So therefore a2 equal to a2 3 into
3
a
2 minus 1.
2 minus 1 plus 2. Plus 2. So 3 into
So, 3 into A2
3A1
minus 1
plus
will be,
2.
so it
So
will be
sir,
3A1 plus
A1
2.
is 3.
Sir, A1 is 3, so, sir, it will be
So it
9
will
plus
be
2.
3
Sir,
into
it
3
will be
plus 2, which
11.
is 9 plus
So,
2.
9 plus 2, which is 11.
9 plus 2
9 plus 2 equals to 11.
11. Okay. Now a3. 3 into a3 minus 1 plus 2. So
Sir, it will be 3A2 plus 2. 3A2, since we got 11, so,
So
sir, it will be
3A2
3
is
into
11.
11
So it
plus
will be
2.
3 into
So, sir,
11 plus
33
2.
plus 2,
That is
which is
33 plus 2,
35.
35. Plus 2, that is 33 in
So,
plus 2 equals
33
to
plus 2,
35.
which is 35.
35. Okay. A4. 3 into a4. That is
So, 3 into
So
A4 minus
3A4
1
minus
plus
1
2, which is
plus 2.
3A3 plus 2.
a4 minus 1 plus 2 equal to 3 into
So,
a3
3A3
3A3
plus
plus
2.
2, which is 3 into 35 plus 2. So, 3
A3
into
is 35,
35
so 3
plus
into
2. So,
35
sir, it
plus
will be
2.
105 plus 2, which is 107.
105 plus 2 equals to
Sir, 105
107.
plus 2, which is 107.
Okay. It is 107.